Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Google Sheet tutorial how to bold lines. So for example, I will create table. You can click these icons and I will create a border. If you want to set bold lines, you can change the line style. Like I will sort at this table and then you can go back again into border tools. Click these icons, border style, and then you can choose like this option to make bold lines. And then I will use these outer borders to apply the lines. So to be create the bold lines. I will click again at these rows, and then you can set into this option. It will be bold the below lines. To make default, again, you can click these borders and then you can set into this option. Okay, that's it for a basic Google Sheet tutorial, how to bold lines. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.